Hey, what's going on there, guys? It's your boy Greg B, and in this video we're going to be talking about Clickbank and how to make $280 a day even if you're a true beginner. All right, so if you're interested in making some affiliate commissions, then you're going to want to watch this video. All right, you guys, so in this video we're going to be going over the 4 tips for you guys to be successful on this strategy, and I'm going to reveal to you guys the best traffic source for you guys to use. All right, so let's just jump right into it. Now, to start off, I want to say the tip number 1 is to utilize YouTube. YouTube is one of the largest search engines behind Google. It's the second in the world, all right? If you were to combine Bing, Yahoo, AOL, and Ask.com, YouTube has more search volume than all of those combined. So you know this is here to last. It's not something that's just going to disappear tomorrow. So investing your time in actually building a business on it is a really strong and great strategy. I'm going to show you guys some live examples of this strategy being implemented and making tons of dollars for people. All right, so stick tuned and watch this video to the very end. Now, when you're going to use YouTube, you're going to want to post videos for a target audience. Now, you're not going to want to post videos just for everybody. You're going to specifically post videos for a specific audience, right? So it might be health, it might be fitness, it might be, parenting advice, whatever it is, you're going to want to post consistent videos on that topic. So that's tip number 1, is to utilize YouTube and to post videos for that target audience. Now, tip number 2, guys, is to rank your videos. Yeah, YouTube, as we said, is the second largest search engine. And the beauty of that is when people are searching things, they're going to be able to find your video on the internet. So when you are going to make videos, I highly suggest that you post at least educational or entertaining videos, because if it's not of any value to anyone, no one's going to watch it, right? So I highly suggest you make an educational video first and foremost, because if someone's looking to purchase something, most likely they're trying to learn something about it, right? So by you posting educational videos, then they're going to be able to learn about that product and then go on and clicking your link and making that sale for you. So when you're trying to rank these videos, you're going to want to focus on the long tail keywords. If you don't know what that is, let's say we're focusing on the keyword speak Spanish. That's the short term. So we would do how to speak Spanish in 30 days or less. You see, that's the long tail keyword of the same keyword, speak Spanish. It's a lot more competitive to rank for short tail keywords, but if you focus on the long tail keywords, that's gonna allow you to get those views from people searching how to speak Spanish in a month, or how to speak Spanish in 30 days, or just in general, how to speak Spanish, because we have that in our long tail keyword. The other one just says speak Spanish, right? So having more of a long tail keyword allows you to rank for more things relating to that specific keyword. Now, tip number 3, guys. So I know a lot of people don't like to go on camera. They might not like the sound of their voice, or they might just, are camera shy, whatever it might be. I want to use this tip to give you guys an advice. It's to use and get creative with Google Slides. Now, Google Slides is what I'm using right here, right now. Now, you don't have to necessarily have your face on it. You can get rid of your face like I did here and just keep talking and present whatever you have on the slides to your audience, okay? But guys, if you don't know what Google Slides is, this is all it is right here. It's a free software that anyone can use. You just need to have a Google account. You can create a personal one, and it's absolutely free. You do not need to pay for the business one, all right? So you just go ahead and create a free account, and you would really be off to the races with it. Now, I wanna show you guys a live example of a book stand video that I even used the other day and had no talking and no head. See, this is a book stand that I made the other day, and I noticed this video had no talking whatsoever. It just has music playing. And yeah, it just goes through how to make a book stand. And if you can see here, 130,000 views and only 10,000 subscribers. So it shows that you do not need to have a large following to get this amount of views. So if you had your affiliate link in the description here on maybe whatever it is that you're promoting, then you would have had 130,000 eyeballs on your video. So you don't necessarily need to have a talking head video to make commissions using this strategy. So don't worry if you are camera shy or you don't like the sound of your voice, it is possible. Now, tip number 4, guys, is to branch out into other top niches. So as an affiliate marketer, once you get the hang of this, it's say you start focusing on fitness, okay? You start busting out content on YouTube, you're getting your affiliate links there, and you start making some sales. Now, you should also adventure off into other affiliate niches. All right, guys, so the fourth tip that I have here is once you start getting the hang of this, you should branch off into other niches. So, the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the most profitable niches out there. Now, I'm not saying that you can't make money in other niches. Of course you can, right? But if you start getting some traction going on with another YouTube channel with your, All right, guys, so the fourth tip that I have is to branch off into other niches. Now, if you start getting some traction with your first YouTube channel focusing on, let's say, woodworking, right? Then go ahead and invest in another niche. Now, I suggest you focus on the top niches, which is health, wealth, and relationships. These are the most profitable niches, and it's not impossible for you to make money in other niches like woodworking or manifestation or personal development. Anyone can make money in any niche, but these are the top niches. So if you start gaining some traction, go ahead and venture off into making more videos on a different channel, because this strategy is free. You don't need to pay for a YouTube channel. You don't need to pay for a Clickbank account. You don't need to pay to make content, guys. All you have to do is invest time, and you will definitely find yourself making more than $280 per day. Now, I'm gonna show you guys some live examples of this working in real time. All right, so let's say you guys are really good at speaking Spanish. I'm a huge advocate of taking advantages of your strengths, right? So let's say you're good at speaking Spanish. What you can do here is make a YouTube video on how to speak Spanish. See, this one says, learn Spanish in 4 hours, all the Spanish basics you need. Now this has 373,000 views with 384,000 subscribers. And as you can see here, they have a call to action down below. Get your free lifetime account. And in the description, they have their affiliate link. So what you would do is you can make a video just like this if you already know how to speak Spanish, and tell them, how you learned, or you can go over a product review. So let's go on Clickbank and see if we can find a product that we could promote. So what you would do is you go to languages, and you can use this one right here, Rocket Spanish. Now you would earn $99 for every sale that you get. So with a video like Learn Spanish in 4 hours, you have 373,000 people looking at it. And for every person that purchases, you earn $100. That's a quick and easy way for you guys to make more than $200 per day with this method. All right. Now let's go back to see other techniques that you guys can do. Now, let's say you're a parent, right? Parents always think, there's no way for me to do it. I have nothing to talk about. But utilizing your parental, experience is having those kids, you could make money as well. So let's say if you're a parent, you've got kids, they gotta learn how to read, right? So this person here has made a review of a program called Reading Head Start. And this person has 5,000 views, almost 6,000 on this video, and only 57 subscribers. So as a beginner, you can see this method is truly working. And in the description here, they have their affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on that link, they get paid if they purchase. So let's go ahead and take a look at the marketplace and see just how much they would make on that product. All right, so let's go to the marketplace. And for parenting, you can go right here. Reading Head Start. Wow. So they make $135 for every time someone purchases using their link. So there's to go to show you guys that you don't need a huge following to even do this or even to get started, okay? You just need to make content that will help people, valuable content. Another live example is the health and fitness niche. Now let's take a look at this offer here. So If you haven't already heard, Organifi, this is the product that he's reviewing, is Organifi, and this product has been around for a while now. So as you can see, this is posted on January 18th, 2019, and it's October 2019 now. So it's not even that long ago, but he had 37,000, almost 38,000 views on this video, and it only has 9,000 subscribers. So it still works even if you are quote unquote late to the party, okay? So now let's take a look on the marketplace to see how much he makes per sale if he gets someone to purchase using his link in his description. All right, so here it is, guys. He gets $74 per sale every time someone purchases from this video here. And I'm pretty sure, there it is, the affiliate link right here in his description. So people are doing this each and every day, guys, and this is how you can make over $200 per day using Clickbank with free strategies, guys. Now, let's go ahead and talk about what's crucial for success. Now, the first thing is you're gonna wanna have an appealing thumbnail and title. People nowadays need to see a nice clickable thumbnail before they even check out your video. If it's not appealing, then they're gonna go ahead and just skip right over it. It's not enough to just use the automated generated thumbnail that YouTube gives you. Go ahead and use a site like canva.com, which is free, and create a nice looking thumbnail, okay? It takes about maybe 20 minutes and you guys will get more clicks to your videos. Also for the title, just make it more appealing. Let's talk about Organifi, right? What you wanna say is not just Organifi review. How about the best Organifi review in 2019? Or the things you must know about Organifi before you purchase. That right there sounds more enticing, something that sparks a little, I need to watch this video, right? The second thing that's crucial is to optimize for SEO, which is search engine optimization. We already know YouTube is a search engine. So what you should do is take the keyword that you're trying to rank for, put it in the title, also put it in the description of the video, and even say it when you start your videos, guys. Like in this video, I had said Clickbank for beginners because I wanted to rank for that keyword, all right? So you can do those for some basic SEO for your videos. Now, of course, you want to place your affiliate link in the description so that people have access to it when you're trying to make money off your affiliate link. So, of course, place it in the description so that they have access to it. Now, last but not least, have a call to action. So you guys are obviously making video content around whatever affiliate product that you're trying to promote. So when you are done with your videos, or maybe even before, let them know that, click the link down below in the description. It's the same thing as YouTubers saying, click the like and subscribe button. That's the call to action. So have a call to action to make sure that the people know what to do after they watch your videos. So that's one way that you guys can make $280 per day as a beginner using Clickbank and YouTube as your traffic source. Now, I know there's a lot of other methods out there, but if you stick to one method, guys, I promise you, you will find success in one of them. All right, guys, so that's my recommendation for any beginner using Clickbank and wants to utilize YouTube to make over $200 per day online. Now, it could be very frustrating when you just start out. There's a lot of things going on and a lot of people telling you to try this method, try that method, but it really narrows down on focusing on one, guys. Pick a method, stick with it, and you will see results. Now, if you want some more training on this topic of affiliate marketing, you can check out my link down below in the description box, because that's my #1 recommendation on how to start making money online. I utilize this and I still do to this day. All right, so my guys, until next time, don't be average, be savage.
I run it up cause I ain't never looking down again. And I just wanna see my mother hold a smile again. So I can't stop, I start a wave, got niggas drowning in. The streets cold, some wanna mount the shit. Them shots fire, niggas lucky if they found your shit. I hit the button, take it back, thinking about the shit. My niggas hungry, putting 10 toes